you have a broken branch because it's too heavy with fruit. As long as it's still attached to it, you can fix it. See, the saran wrap where you can use for wrapping food, plastic. See, you make into a strong strip like rope, and you can tie it up, wrap all the part of where the broken branch is, wrap from here to here, and then to all the branches together, so it can support all together in one branch. Is to continue supporting the fruit. I done this when it was the fruit was green, when the branch was broken. Now it's still continue support the fruit grow and ripen. You see, this branch have a lot of fruit on it, and it's it broken off right there. Same thing, that branch right there, it broke, so it's broken, so I just tie it up with the saran wrap and pick whatever later on. If it's still attached together, then you just tie it up, and the fruit will continue ripening on that broken branch. Remove. So after harvest all the fruit, you can see the branch still good. However, even though it's still good, but it's not good to leave it on the tree, because you see how it almost completely die, half of it. And if we leave it on the tree, this won't heal correctly, and it won't be holding fruit well on a tree. So we need to remove it.